Hello, welcome to our magical journal. What's the quote this week, Adyson?
The quote this week is, God gives you what you need to keep going. MLC.
MLC Kids.
We watched
learned
that
from
today.
MLC Kids. What does that mean?
Because we couldn't watch on Sunday. God gives you whatever you need when you need it.
So He gives you what you need. What you need is what's necessary. So He provides what you need.
He doesn't.
Yes.
He doesn't make your wishes.
Exactly. So God is not a genie, is He? No, that's not what it is. Praying is what you need. Wishing is what you want. Right? So that's different. But what you need is like, food. You need money to buy things. Necessary things like, food and clothing and, all the things that we have, we need, right? Yeah. There are some treats, though, every now and then, right, that we get what we want. That's different. So, we're going to start off with Mama today. She did roller coasters. And our family topic was physics. So we did a lot of different things that...
It's really cool.
Physics. So my branch of physics was movement. So roller coasters are all over the world, as we all know. But I didn't know this. Some European languages refer to roller coasters as Russian mountains. Because I believe everything started in Russia. In 1804, there was the first roller coaster built with tracks. Because they started out as slides, but then they did tracks with a car that went around the tracks in France in 1804. In the USA, the first thing to ride a roller coaster was not humans; it was actually coal. They used the tracks and the ideas of roller coasters to transport coal underground, and then. The faster the roller coaster in physics aspect, the more secure you are in your seat. So the faster it is, the more secure you are because, thinking about physics and motion and, even car crashes, you think about you being buckled in and secure, and you think about that force that you will have even going or having to stop suddenly. You have to be kind of held back. So that was kind of neat to study roller coasters and see all the different facts that the video had to offer. Ashlynn, you want to go ahead? Okay.
I'm still 7, Emma. I'm still Ashlynn.
So what was your topic today? Tell them what your topic was.
My topic was
magnetism.
Alright, I can't say that.
Magnetism. Alright. And what did you learn about magnetism?
That, coal and, all kinds of, coal.
The different metals. Different types of metals. Okay?
Yeah, they stick to a magnet.
And those are called what?
Those are called
magnetic objects.
Magnetic objects.
Good.
And the stuff that aren't magnetic are toys.
And
wood.
They can't see.
Sorry.
Yep. Okay. Just explain it to them.
And if you break a magnet, it will still connect.
So if you break the magnet, it'll still stick to each other.
Its magnet still can connect because it's still there.
It creates the other two poles, doesn't it? The north and the south pole, and it sticks. What happens if you take the two poles the same and try to stick them together?
They can't go together.
They repel each other, don't they?
Yeah, they go away from each other.
What about the Earth?
The Earth is a big magnet.
It behaves like a magnet, doesn't it? It has the poles.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, Adyson. What did you do?
I did electricity.
You did electricity.
And I learned that the power lines have thread inside that are good conductors.
Okay, so they have different threads inside the power lines that conduct the electricity to get it to the houses, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, what about the rubber on the outside?
The rubber on the outside, the lines keep the electricity in.
So is the rubber a good conductor of electricity?
Oh, yeah.
It's not.
Oh, right.
It's a what? What's that term? Do we remember it?
I don't remember.
It's an insulator.
Oh, insulator.
It's an insulator. It keeps the electricity inside, right? Keeps it from escaping.
Yeah, right.
Because otherwise, we wouldn't get electricity to our house if we didn't have that rubber,
Yeah.
would we? Good. Do we need to touch lines that are down after a storm?
No.
Or if you see a line down anytime?
No.
Why?
You don't need to touch it because then it'll get electrocuted.
Well, yeah. Are we good conductors of electricity?
No.
We are.
Oh, right.
We're good conductors, which means if we touch something with electricity in it, it's going to go through us, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Good job.
What
What did you learn this week? Tell us in the comments. Bye.